Hi everyone and welcome back to my beauty channel. In this video I'm executing one of my ideas of a Christmas celebration delicate but quite festive makeup. This is how I look totally without any makeup. I will start with this face cream as a base. It's very lightweight, moisturizing and universal, works great for all skin types, maybe besides very oily. It smells awesome, feels really good on the skin, and the makeup just blends away flawlessly and effortlessly on top of it. I am applying and blending it right with my finger in a generous amount as it absorbs immediately, and I kind of enjoy the process of just massaging it into the skin. Of course, I am adding it also under the eye area because it tends to become especially dry after makeup application and needs special preparation. And massaging this area as well until the cream absorbs and feels even and skin feels fully moisturized. Next step is always the same. I apply my favorite lip balm on the lips with a finger, and it feels great because my lips are super dry all year long and in autumn especially. This makeup will be very festive and include application of a pressed pigment which sometimes tends to fall out under the eyes. That's why I'm starting with my eyes. To begin with, I'm applying an eyeshadow stick in a peach tone all over the upper and lower eyelids. This product is so easy and quick to apply, and by the way has a great choice of colors in the collection. Now I will duplicate it with powder products to give the eye more dimension and color. I will just take the simplest solution, blend the bronzer with a fluffy natural brush in the eye crease, outer corner and lower eyelid, repeating the initial shape built with the previous product. And this is how it looks right now. And it seems that it only emphasizes my tiredness, but please wait, this will look great in the end after we work out the skin. Second color of eyeshadows is this beautiful satin grayish brown. I'm blending it in the middle of my eyelid with the same fluffy brush and trying to connect it together with the previous color. Then I will add the third color and last one, and I will take some highlighter for that. With a smaller brush I blend it in the inner corner of the eye and a little bit towards the center. This will give us a real fresh eye look. Also adding it under the brow and blending into the bronze color. I want all eyeshadows to transit from one another very softly and create a natural sculpture effect on the eye. Now, the most interesting, it's time to build up the liner. I will do it with a soft and ultra long staying dark brown pencil. I start lining my lash line first on the outer third of the eye, lining at the same time above and below the lashes, and moving towards the center of the eye and to the inner corner, building up the thickness of my line slowly and carefully. I want my eyeliner to be delicate but still readable, and my main goal is to give my eye shape a great definition. After my line is ready, I am going to even its edge with a small angled synthetic brush. With the leftovers of the pencil, I am creating a draft of my wing, and then once I like it, filling it in with the brush with some pencil on it. This way I ensure the wing is thin, elegant, quite graphic and trendy. The main accent of this makeup will be the eyeliner, and it will be sparkling and festive. I am duplicating the pencil with a really beautiful multi-dimensional pressed pigment that has graphite, navy green, gold and purple sparkles in it. To make it stick as much as possible to the pencil, I am spraying some setting spray on the brush first, and then taking the sparkles and start applying with pressing motions, starting in the center where I want a maximum accent and moving along the eyeliner, not touching the wing. I want it to be dark. That is why I will apply some dark brown eyeshadows on top of my eyeliner wing and blend it carefully into the sparkle. Now I need to finish the eye makeup with a good layer of mascara and some additional lashes. First, I comb my lashes several times and adding some extensions in the outer corner. Adding a nice fat touch of mascara in black, trying to work out the roots as much as possible. And as a final step, I'm applying some high coverage concealer and cleaning the edge of the liner wing, making it really sharp and thin. Then concealing the darkness under the eye, very carefully blending the edge of the eyeshadows with a small buffing synthetic brush. And that's it, my festive sparkling eye makeup with a trendy cat eye shape is ready. Now I'm going to finish the second eye behind the scenes and will continue working with the skin, lips and brows. Now I need to even out the color of my skin, because with this kind of accent on the eyes, you do need a really clear and even canvas. So I'm applying a thin layer of a high covering CC cream, building up the color of the skin and covering up all the small discolorations on the skin. Also, I'm adding it on top of the concealer under the eyes, blending everything very well and carefully, taking my time to get a flawless result. Now I'm fixing and mattifying the center of the face with some loose powder. It's very lightweight and doesn't give any feeling of dryness on the skin. At the same time, it looks great and mattifying and photoshopping the skin visually on the camera. Of course, I will add some dimension to my face, and I'm starting this time with ultra soft and blendable highlighter, giving unreal glow on the cheekbones. I am applying a very tiny bit because it's hyper pigmented and I need some very delicate effect. Softly touching the cheekbones and adding a little bit under the eyes, under the brows, and the leftovers go to the bridge of the nose and above the lip on the cupid's bow. Of course, I will add some super fresh peachy rosy blush and blend it on the upper halves of my cheeks with the same brush. Using only one brush for the whole face really saves time during your makeup. This is actually the reason I'm moving from the light textures to the darker ones. First goes the highlighter, then the blush, and then finally will be sculpting and bronzing. For sculpting, I'm taking the same product that I used in my eye crease. This will give my makeup look a really good balance and a little bit of tan effect. I am adding it with softly touching motions under the cheekbones, on the sides of the forehead to visually correct the shape of my face, and a little bit on the sides of the nose. Now I'm working with my brows in my usual way. First applying a tinted brow gel, brushing the brows down and then up to give them a maximum fixing and color, and at the same time a very natural effect. And then filling the color gaps with an automatic, very thin pencil in a blonde color and giving the brows a more graphic shape on the lower border. Then brushing everything with a brush and the brows are ready. Finally adding some lip color in nude tone, following my natural lip shape and making the edges a little bit sharper with a concealer brush that I used for sharpening the eyeliner wing. And this is actually our final makeup. I will also add some beautiful sleek hairstyling and change the outfit a little bit to a more festive and elegant black dress. And let's have a look at the final result and before and after. Grateful to you for watching this video, hitting a like and leaving your opinions in the comments. What did you like or did not like about this look? Would you wear it or do something different? Wish you a great week and ciao ciao!